Very good afternoon. Am I audible? Okay, good. How was your exams? And what about cyber security? Question paper was tough, easy, or lengthy? Okay. Yes. Where are the other students? And maybe on the Saturday examination is there, right? Which subject is there on Saturday? Okay. Networking. Yes, yes, yes. Computer networks. Okay. Okay, good. So, uh, yeah, now today in cybersecurity, okay, we will learn about the Reaper tool, right, to crack the password. Okay, we already discussed this thing in the lecture, for the password cracking of the any file, either it is zip, rar, pdf, or any other file, right? If you want to crack the password, then this tool is useful from the Reaper, right? And this tool is available in Windows as well as in the Kali, right? Just you have to download it. In the Kali, it is pre-installed, but in the Windows, you have to install this, right? And here it is, the link of the zone, right? I will show you this thing in the Kali, and you have to try this thing in both the operating system. If you have the Kali Linux in your system, then try it with Kali, or just go with the Windows OS. Right. But I will show you in the Kali only. The other things you have to learn by yourself. Yes, any student is here in the campus, or want to attend the lab in the offline mode, then I am not in the location of the lab, and I just change the location. If anyone is there in the campus and try to find out the location, then just contact me. I just change the location. Okay. Okay. Here we are. Now, zone. Right. We have two options. Either go to this application menu, write down the zone, and you have your zone, or go to the terminal and write down zone. Sorry, right here it is. So how to use the zone, right? This is the information related to the software, the current version which is installed in the system, the copyright, and the home page of the zone. After that, how to use. The first one is the name of the software. Next, you have to select any option. All the options are here, right? One by one, all the options are here. Next, the password file. Right. If you want to perform directory attack, right, then we have to give one password file. Inside the file, all the passwords are there, all the possible passwords are there. So the zone will take one by one password and try to insert the password. We will learn how to create this password file as well. Right. But before that, simplest use. Let me first delete these two things. Okay, now this is the one zip file. Okay, we are targeting this zip file. Okay, and inside this zip file, one text file is here. If I want to open this text file, then it is asking the password. So here the password, and yes, it is working. Right. So now I have to crack this file. I have to crack this zip file's password. So what I will do, I have to first change my location, right? This one is the home and Kali, and my file is here on the desktop. So I have to change the location. Uh, for changing the location, command is cd change directory and desktop. Right. And let's check list ls, and here it is one.zip. Right. So now, as now all of you know this thing, that in any of the operating system or any of the software or in any of the security mechanism, the password is not stored in the plain text. Right. We already discussed this thing in the DVWA as well. The password is not stored in the plain text. It is converted into the hash value, and hash is stored inside the password file. Am I right? All of you know this thing. Yes, waiting for your answer. Harshit, Richa, Abhishek. Yes, right. So we know this thing. All the passwords are stored in the hash file. So here, first of all, we have to find out the hash value of the our targeted file. Right. Our file is one.zip. The format of this file is zip. So you have to use this command zip to zone. If your file is in the rar format, then you have to write down rar to zone. If it is in the PDF, then write down PDF to zone. So it will give you the hash code of the file. Right. Now here the name of the file one dot is enter, right, and here we have the answer from the dollar sign, right, from this dollar sign to this dollar sign. It is the our hash code. So this is in the terminal, but we want the zip code in the file. We want one text file which has the zip this has code. Right. So again, same command, just do this thing output, and we are creating one text file one.txt. Right. Now let's check it. 1.txt is here. Right. Look at this. This is log file, means read only file. This one is the read only file. Okay. This is the code. Let me show you again here. Right. Look at this. This one is the read only file, and this is the our hash code from this dollar to this dollar. Okay. Now, what we have to do, right? First of all, this one is the log file. We have to remove this log. Anyone know how to remove the log? We already discussed this thing, how to change the permissions of the file, and also you done this thing in the operating system subject 1, 2, right? How to change the permissions. Anyone? Kernel mode will allow, yes. One simple command is there, chmod 777. Yes. Do you remember this thing? Chmod 777. So chmod 777 1.txt, and the log disappeared from this file. Right now, this one is not read only file. Right, look at this. This is not the read only. Now we have the hash code. Right. What we have to do now? We will use this last option. We will use this last option. So here, zone format, our format is zip file, and next the name of the file 1.txt. Press enter, but right now it will not give me the password because look at the file, look at the content of the file. We have so many other content here instead of the hexadecimal values. Right? Look at this zip to txt, zip. Right? This is the not hexadecimal content, so this one will not find out the password. But this is how you have to find out the password. Once again, all these steps, right? Create one zip file, RAR file, or PDF file with password. What you have to do, you have to create the hash file of your target using this command zip to PDF, name of the file 1.zip, and output. Right here I am taking the 2.txt. Sorry, zip to zone. It is zip to zone. Sorry. Right, and we have one file 2.txt. Here you have to use this 2.txt file to find out the password. Right, and this is the command to find out the password. Zone 2 times dash format is equal to, here we are finding out the password of zip file, so write down the zip and the hash codes file 2.txt. Right, and enter. This one will give you the password, but you have to remove the remaining things from the file. Right, all other things are there instead of the just the zip, just the hash code of the zip file. Okay, so this is how you can find out the password. Now second thing, if you want to find out the password using the directory, right? If you want to find out the password using the directory of the passwords and you don't have the directory, then how to create your own directory? Just you have to use this tool Crunch. The name of the tool is Crunch. Just enter and it will give us the detail of the tool. Crunch can create a word list based on criteria you specify. Right, you have to specify which type of the list you want. The output from Crunch can be sent to the screen. You can take the output here only the screen. You can save the output as a file or you can directly send the output to any other program. How to use the Crunch? Here is the use of the Crunch. Right. So this is the numbers. Let's write down Crunch, two numbers and 0 and 1. String them. Okay. 3, 1 and 2. Right. And just wait. Now look at this. Right. It will create all the possible passwords up to the 12 characters. Right. So stop it. Control C. Yeah, this is how you can use the Crunch tool for creating your password. Right, Crunch 0 and 2 and enter. Right. Here is the all the possible passwords of two characters. Look at this. Right, all of them. Here. Right. A B C D E F C up to Z. After that, the starting of these all the A and second one is A to Z. Right. Next one is from B to D Z. From C A to C Z. Right. So this is how you can create the password using the crunch. And the last one here, next two times set. Is it clear how to create the password file? Is it clear, guys? Or I have to repeat this thing? Yes, yes, yes. I I am waiting for this question. Right, I am waiting for this question. Why it is not considering the numerical values? Right, good question, Asit. Like, let's we try this thing. Okay, very good question. Just let me check this thing. Just wait. I think I forget the command. Uh, launch. I think it is 0 and wait, just wait 1 minute. Let me do this thing. Yes. I think I have to write down all the values. I think just wait. Crunch one, two, and so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, it is here. This is how you can consider the value. Yes. Also, if you want to do this thing with the combination of the characters and the numbers, right? If you want to do this thing with all the numbers, so uh, how you can do this thing? Crunch. Right. Now, here the first digit is the minimum value of the generated string, right? We want the string in the 1, okay, and if you want the maximum size up to 8, right, 1 to 8, the minimum password size is 1 and maximum password size is 8, and from which values you want to create this thing, right? In from which values means what you want to consider, right? I want to consider 0 to 9, right? I want to consider 0 to 9, a to z, right? So here I have to write down the a b c d, right? And if you want to insert these special characters, then also you can write down these special characters here and press enter. Look at this, right? All the combinations are here. Let's stop this and go to the top and let's check, right? Yes, this is the not the uh, our terminal is not capable to handle this much of the details together. Right. So, yes. Now, how to save all these things in the file? Right. So you have to write down the command dash o output, right, and the location or the file name. So here, this one is the my system's name is Kali, not Kali, Kali uh, desktop, and I want this file as a word dot txt. Press enter. Right. Okay, and just wait for this to complete the process. Yes, Harshit, get it. Okay, just wait for this. We will check the text file as well as soon as it completes the task. Okay. We will check the, by mistake I took the 8 numbers up to the 8 numbers, so it will take some time. Let's check. Okay, uh, here is the file. Okay, my mistake. It is not zero. It is O. And here, let's check this again. Now search file with the directory. Okay, and the text. Don't know what is the problem, but this is I will solve this thing. But up to this clear, I will solve this thing. Okay, what is the issue? I don't know. But okay, now one more question from my side. Yes, first, is it clear how to create the file? I will give you the command again as soon as I solve this. I don't know why this is not working, but this one is the right command. I don't know. Okay. Yes, it is desktop. Good. Okay, fine. I will find out something. But up to this, all clear? Okay. Okay. Now interesting thing out of the syllabus. Okay, now interesting thing out of the syllabus. Yes. Anyone from your side, just give me your username of the Instagram or Facebook. Just the username. Mine is Vivek.Kitsaria. Right. Just give me your name, your username. I will not hack your account. Don't worry about it. Or I will not show the password. What like this? Not. I am not doing this thing. Just some interesting thing. Okay. Okay. Fine. With my username. Okay. Just with my username. Now, all of you know this thing. Like my user ID or username of Instagram is vivek.kipsari. Now, you want to find out in the internet how many websites. Yes, hello, am I audible? Hello. Okay. Now, you know this thing, my username. of the Instagram is vivek.kipsaria. Now, if you want to find out how many social websites or any of the websites I am using, in how many websites I have the same username, right? I want to find out in how many websites I am using the same username. Okay. Or if you are not targeting me and if you are targeting some other person, right. So how many of you are interested in this thing to find out all the websites, all the social media related websites on which the same username is there? How many of you are interested in this thing? Yes, yes, yes. Vrunda, where are you? Vrunda, have you tried that spy software? In last lab, we discussed this thing, right? It's okay. Yes. And on whom you try this thing? Your sister, your brother, your parents. Good. And anything interesting you get from this tool? Have you get any exposure YouTube activities? Fine, fine, good. Okay. Now this one is again the one more tool. Right. You can use this tool to find out your sister's whole account from the social media, from other things as well. Yes, Divya, this is right. Yes, you can use all these tricks, all these tools to storing the peoples. Okay, and today also I am giving you one more tool to find out the same username from so many websites. Right. Now I think you are uh, interested in this. Okay. Okay. And that's why you all of you are not giving me your Instagram ID or Instagram username. I know this thing very well, that in your mind you have the doubts that sir have this much of knowledge and this much of the tools, so he can hack or he can do anything with our account, right? Yes, he said good. It's okay. I will not go with your usernames. I will only go with my username. Don't worry about it. But now the name of the tool, right? Sherlock. It is Sherlock. Right. This one is the basically one Python script. You can use this Sherlock in the Windows as well as in the Kali. Right. Let me show you this thing. Just what you have to do first, you have to download this Sherlock. Let me close all this thing. Yes, the crunch is still remaining. I will find out some solution for this. Why I am not able to do this thing? Maybe because of the root permissions, I am not able to do this thing. But okay, uh, that's fine. We will solve this. Go to the crunch. Okay, you have to download the crunch from the official website. Okay, uh, sorry, not the crunch, sorry, the Sherlock. Okay, just download the Sherlock from the official website. You will get this folder. Right. This is the Sherlock. You will get this folder. Open this folder. Inside this folder, almost all the codes are of the Python. One subfolder is there. Again, the Sherlock. Open it, and this one Sherlock.py. This one is the our file. We want to use this file. Okay. So what I will do, just I will open here the terminal, sudo su my password, and this file is in the Python, right? Look at this .py. So I have to use the Python version 3. Always go with the Python 3. It will not work with the Python 2 due to the some changes in the syntax, right? So always go with the Python 3, Sherlock.py, and the username Vivek.Khipsaria. Here it is. Vivek.Khipsaria. Press enter and wait. Just check all these things. Okay, be here. Yes, I know all of you are here. This one is interesting for you guys. Right. Yes, you can scan for the multiple users as well. Right. After the Vivek.Khipsaria, one space and the second username, again one space and the third username. You can find out multiple usernames as well. You have to just separate both the username with one space. Right. Here it is over. Now here is the file vivek.khirsaria. Right. And all the links are here inside the file. Right. This is how you can find out. Yes, here I already tested this thing with my brother as well, like you doing that. Okay, and I get all the links from the same name. So this is how you can find out the names, how you can find out the yes, I will repeat this thing. Okay, with the ABC 113. Okay, ABC 113. SINGH. Right. Press enter. If you are using the same name in different websites, then it will find out all the websites. Okay. Yes, also you can add extra websites in this list as well, right? If it is not scanning for the Instagram, then you if you want to add the Instagram, then go to this sites.py. Here is the code, and here you can add the extra websites as well. Here inside the resource, one file is data.json. Here also you can add the extra websites if you want to add some other websites as well. Yes. Uh, is it clear, Abhishek, how to do this thing? Or I have to repeat from the first point? Brunda, Dirga. Okay. And if you want any other data related to this Sherlock, I never tried this thing, Brunda. Uh, just install it and you can try this thing. Okay. I never tried this thing before with the Telegram, but you can do this thing. Go to the Google and check other functionalities of the Sherlock as well. Right. Uh, yes, it just showed on the ABC. No, here it is. ABC 113. Yes, here. Telegram. Yes, yes, it is here. But I don't know about this. Let's check. Open link. And this one is the maybe some other person with the name of the ABC 113. Right. I don't think this one is our Abhishek. Is it clear, Brunda? Yes. And one more thing. If you don't have any issue, what is your sister's name? Okay. Let uh, let's try this thing with my name only. Right? If you are okay, okay, that's fine. If you are not able to find out my other social media with the Vivek.Khirsaria, right, then you can use Vivek underscore Khirsaria, V Khirsaria, V dot Khirsaria, V underscore Khirsaria, right. This is how you can find out all of my accounts. Just you have to interchange some of the words, some of the characters of the username. Okay, is it clear now? Okay. But it will not take this space. Okay, it will not take this space because in any of the social media your username never contains this space, right? Either it is Runda underscore Patel, Runda dot Patel, or any of the numerical value or something must be there. It will not take this space. Yes, but so many people are using the same username and the password, right? And Vrunda, your name is common name in Gujarat, right? So we will get so many accounts on your name. We will get so many accounts. So maybe all these accounts are not your, but you have to change some of the characters or you have to add extra information in this. Yes. Okay, Vrinda. Yes. But this is how you can find the social media accounts. Okay. Yeah, Divya, you can find the proper accounts, but just you have to work a little hard, right? Some of the combinations, some of the different combinations you have to use, and you have to add extra websites as well. Right. This one is the limited list. I just removed some of the website from the list, but you can also add extra links here, extra things here, right? And if you are targeting someone, then you have to give at least 30 or 45 minutes to find out the actual username. Right. The hacking is not like the same way as in the movie. Right. Within the seconds, they are hacking the satellites in the movie, right? But in real life, this is not possible. It will take some time, not within the 30 seconds or not within the 10 seconds. You can hack the setting. It will take some time. Fine. All of you have to try this thing. All of you have to try the zone, right? The zone the Reaper is our actual program, actual practical and actual task. You have to try this thing and don't go with the Sherlock only. Uh, you have to select one file and you have to crack the password using the zone. You have to create the word list file using the crunch. Yes, you have to try the crunch. Okay, with the file. Maybe due to the some of the access related issues, I am not able to generate the text file. But the command is the same command. You have to use the same command, right? The crunch, the minimum value of the password, the maximum value of the password, and the characters which you want inside your password. You have to just write down this. After the characters, just wait, let me write down the code here in the chat box. Crunch, the minimum value of the password, the maximum, right? Let's say this one, 8, your choice. Right. And the for output, this is the output and the path of folder where you want to save. Let's say if you want to save this thing in the desktop, then root desktop and file name. This is how you can generate your password file. Is it clear? Okay. Yes. In next lab, yes, uh, Runda and Divya, we will discuss about the Sherlock. Okay, what you get from the Sherlock and others also, please, guys. Others are not answering my questions. That's why I am communicating with these three or four people. Right, Abhishek, Dirka, Brunda, Harshit, all of them are answering my questions. Please, guys, others as well, answer the questions. And if you have any interesting thing in your mind, if you want to ask anything, and if you want to share any new tools, right, with your class, then please be attractive in the communication. If our communication will be bi-directional, then it will be more interesting. The subject will be more interesting, right? And I will share so many other details which are not inside the syllabus, right? And you will get some of the hacking related tools like this, Setlock and spying tools as well, which are easy for you guys. And so it's okay. Write down your enrollment numbers and you can left. Yes, Runda, we will discuss this thing. Okay. I know this thing in the starting of the semester, in the starting of the lab, right? We are only discussing about the tools which are inside the syllabus, and these tools are not that much of the interesting. But as I started other tools, the other hacking related tools, all of you are now interested in the these hacking related activities. I know this thing, right? But you know this thing, I have to cover the syllabus as well, and after completion of the syllabus we can do other activities. Yes, thank you all of you. You can left the meet. Enjoy your vacation, right?